Networking has evolved significantly over the years, especially with the advent of digital technology, leading to a dynamic interplay between online and in-person networking. Both methods possess unique advantages and challenges, making them complementary rather than mutually exclusive approaches to building professional relationships. Understanding the nuances of each can help individuals navigate their networking efforts more effectively. In-person networking is often perceived as more personal and impactful. Face-to-face interactions foster a sense of connection that is difficult to replicate through a screen. Meeting someone in person allows for non-verbal communication cues, such as body language and eye contact, which can enhance understanding and rapport. This environment creates opportunities for deeper conversations and more meaningful connections, as individuals can engage in real-time discussions, share experiences, and establish trust more readily. Networking events, conferences, and workshops provide an ideal platform for individuals to mingle, exchange ideas, and form relationships that can lead to collaborations, partnerships, and job opportunities. The spontaneity of in-person events can also spark unexpected conversations, often resulting in valuable insights and connections. However, in-person networking is not without its challenges. Scheduling conflicts, travel costs, and geographical limitations can make it difficult for individuals to attend events. Additionally, the pressure of approaching strangers and engaging in conversation can be daunting for many. While some people thrive in social settings, others may find networking events overwhelming, leading to missed opportunities. Moreover, in-person interactions may rely heavily on first impressions, which can be misleading and may not fully represent an individual's capabilities or potential. On the other hand, online networking offers distinct advantages that cater to the demands of our fast-paced, technology-driven lives. Platforms such as LinkedIn, Twitter, and industry-specific forums provide vast opportunities to connect with professionals from around the globe. Online networking removes geographical barriers, allowing individuals to reach out to a diverse range of contacts and engage in discussions that might not have been possible in a traditional setting. This accessibility can lead to a more extensive network, as individuals can connect with thought leaders, industry experts, and potential collaborators without the constraints of location. Furthermore, online networking allows for more time to curate interactions. Individuals can take the time to craft thoughtful messages, research their contacts, and engage in discussions at their own pace. This flexibility can lead to more meaningful exchanges, as people can carefully consider their responses and engage in well-informed conversations. Additionally, the asynchronous nature of online communication means that individuals can connect across different time zones and schedules, fostering a broader range of networking opportunities. However, online networking also has its limitations. The lack of face-to-face interaction can make it challenging to establish rapport and trust. Communication can sometimes feel impersonal, leading to misunderstandings or a lack of emotional connection. The sheer volume of online interactions can also result in individuals feeling lost in a sea of messages and notifications, making it difficult to stand out. Moreover, the risk of misrepresentation is heightened in the online space, where profiles may not always accurately reflect a person's skills or experience. For many individuals, a hybrid approach that combines both online and in-person networking is the most effective strategy. By leveraging the strengths of each method, individuals can create a well-rounded network that enhances their professional opportunities. For instance, online platforms can serve as a starting point for establishing initial connections, while in-person events can be used to deepen those relationships. Engaging with contacts online can facilitate introductions to others in their networks, creating a pathway to more extensive interactions. In addition, individuals can use online networking to research events and identify key individuals they would like to meet in person. This preparation can help ease the anxiety associated with in-person networking, as individuals can approach conversations with prior knowledge of their contacts' backgrounds and interests. Conversely, individuals who meet in person can follow up through online channels, ensuring that the connection remains active and continues to develop beyond the initial encounter. Ultimately, the choice between online and in-person networking will depend on personal preferences, goals, and circumstances. Each method offers valuable opportunities for building relationships and expanding professional networks. Embracing both approaches allows individuals to adapt to different situations and make the most of the networking landscape. By remaining open to new connections, leveraging the strengths of each method, and cultivating genuine relationships, individuals can enhance their professional growth and navigate their careers with greater confidence and success. In this increasingly interconnected world, the ability to effectively network, both online and offline, remains a vital skill that can lead to new opportunities, collaborations, and lasting professional relationships.